morning, everybody. It's day 3. We were at South Georgia, and I have to say that anybody who does one of these events is pretty stupid. And I guess I'm part of that group.
Mr. Canadian G-Force. Look at that. Parked right next to the organ grinder and the chicken coop. I believe in miracles since you came along. You sexy thing, you sexy thing. Morning. Morning. You gonna give us a show today?
I don't know what's gonna happen, man. I'm gonna let loose of that pedal on the left and push the one on the right.
That's it.
We'll see what happens.
Black Sheep Industries wastegates. Another one down there.
That makes 2 sets of BSI wastegates I found all the way down in Florida.
Boys out here doing some prepping. They got 3 tractors on the track. Dude spraying the track down there too.
I guess there's a reason why people go fast here.
Take it, 9:30, take it.
You're gonna come back up for another pass?
You're not entirely happy about that?
No, kind of rattled the tires a little. Too long of the two-step, I think, too much boost.
Yeah.
I got a little excited.
Yeah, you sat there for a while waiting for the other guy.
Yeah, it's like, come on, and then I let off, and I got back into it. Rattled the tires. I think we'll cool her down and
get back up there?
Yeah.
We got all day.
Yeah.
I mean, we only got to go
and the
longest distance.
Staging lanes are great today, so.
Yeah.
It was like, oh, jeez.
Yeah, and it seemed like there were some pebbles on the ground.
Oh yeah, there was quite a bit of
yeah.
So I don't know if I picked up some of that, but it actually came off the line okay, and then it blew the tires off. So cool the clutch down.
Yeah.
Drain some water.
You want to see how we cool the clutch down? It's really, really technical.
We can figure out where the stick went. That's the hardest part.
Yeah, the hardest part is finding the stick in our mess here. It's also dual purpose. It's like a beating stick and a clutch stick.
Yeah. If you end up in some bad places.
There we go. Yeah.
Because he's had the air to do it. The last 3 stops, we've been at or below sea level. And I'll tell you what, natural aspiration really loves all that good oxygen-rich air. 100%. You know, you see the 2 strong bodies hanging out of the hood with the acrylic screws on the thing. So
nice.
he's got
So Reggie was saying he's the only one in hot rod class because everyone else has blowers.
Oh.
And it has to be NA under 1150. So he's first and last right now.
That sounds like Reggie.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Back around.
I'll tell you what, man.
Yeah.
You over there just waiting for 9,000 RPM.
Was that the fastest it went this week?
No, I did an 850 with a 4 yesterday, which was, I'm supposed to be running an 870 to the first day, and so it went too fast. And then, so I'm not into running, but I'm just having fun. So slowed it down a little bit. But I think I broke the rear end.
Broke your end?
Yeah, it's a 4.9. You would think that's the last thing I would break.
I thought you would break the
Front,
Colorado
axle.
front, yeah.
But when I'm driving on the return road, all of a sudden, like, clunk.
Ooh.
Clunk. So, we're going to get it up and see.
Well, if it's a 4.9, at least there's a lot of parts around here for a 4.9. Dang, dude. Stick shift with transmissions in that thing.
G4 transmission.
How about Holly NOS? They're on board with us here. You can go down.
So we're actually fixing to make another hit here because, you know, sometimes manual drivers, they're not very good. If you do the math right now, I think if we hand in our time slip of what you have, it would be a 904 average. Yes. But we're currently first place because the next highest average above us, I think, is like 940 something. We're like half a second faster than second place. I think they started a free-for-all because nobody called B class yet, but they're like, oh shit, B cars are going, and everybody's going now.
You guys just started a shit show. Nobody called B class, and as soon as you guys jumped in, everybody jumped in to pull up behind you guys.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I was just following Frank.
So it's Frank's fault. Freaking New Yorker.
He's a New Yorker.
Yeah.
And the Canadian Chuck Norris. What are they gonna do?
Tony. Tony.
Where's Tony? We got a buddy named Tony.
Like, I'm sorry, I was bullied as a young racer, so I'm trying to advance my confidence by taking the initiative to get to the front of the line.
They said they want to see Frank and I run together.
Yeah.
So the only way to do it is
Side by side. Only way. That was a good race the first time too.
you're gonna treat me. How much of a lead you want this time?
Well, I'm not going to say anything because that's how you kiss. That's the kiss of death, right?
I wonder if we can see that on the GoPro. Apparently his horn fell out during that run, and then it ended up in the back seat somewhere. So the GoPro was over your shoulder. We might be able to see it. Yes! Hell yeah, dude! So now we need to thrash, get this thing back in street trim, get loaded up and get the hell out of here because today is actually the longest drive of them all. $8.99 though, dude. I knew he didn't want to leave without being able to back up the one from yesterday. It looked a little bit slow out of the hole, which we'll probably see in the time slip, but dude, that's still awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
How's that for backing up your 8?
The Draggy said 902 at the top, so I'm like,
Oh, really?
so close. And then when I get the time slip, I'm like, oh,
899,
hey,
yeah.
899.
Literally no expression.
I pedaled it pretty good. When it chatted the tires, I got out of it and got into it. Way to go.
Yeah, that was good.
2 8s.
That definitely puts your average under 8 now.
Yeah. And third place went 940.
Yeah.
So he'll still be, and he had, I don't know what his first.
His average was like 9.4.
950.
Yeah. 9.46 or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. I think we can pack up.
Yeah, let's pack up, get the hell out of here, because we got a long drive.
Don Garnett's Museum.
Yeah.
Go to the museum now.
Don Garlett's Museum is 2.5 hours from here. Now, how often does that happen at a gas station? That's so cool. Obviously, we packed up and we left already.
Oh, the Canadian sandwich.
Tony!
Come on, Tony.
Antique Car Museum.
Don Garlett's. Big Daddy Don Garlett's.
I'm almost antique now.
How's it going?
Great.
You guys keep going straight down this road.
Yeah.
Stop right in front of the billboard.
Yeah.
Get your picture taken, and then they'll show you where to park after that.
Perfect.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
Oh, Big Daddy Don.